Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook we could not create your account error. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection, whether it is stable or not. For that, launch your settings. You can give fresh restart to your router. Likewise, toggle on for the option of airplane mode. Now wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and then toggle it off. Likewise, open the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to and then forgot the password and again rejoin it. Likewise, keep a phrase restart to your router. Also, you can switch to a network if you are using Wi-Fi switches to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. After you do this, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution. What you can do is scroll down. Navigate to the option of apps. Here, all of your apps are present. Look for Facebook and tap on it. After that, tap on the option of storage and here tap on Clear Cache option in the bottom. It will clear cache from the app and your problem will be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix Facebook we could not create your account error. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.